trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we were out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down dirt like you want
First impression of DC. By the way, welcome back to my channel. We are now at the point where we came here for. We are now starting our journey here in DC. I'm super excited now. I will go to my apartment and meet my roomies, and I will show you guys around.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck.
What's the first thing I see when I arrive at Town? Now we're talking. Okay, I decided to walk from the metro station, which is Town, and I did not think this through. It's 30 degrees and yeah, it's just seems like it's only 10 minutes left to walk, but oh my god, we're here and I'm so happy. Okay, I'll show you guys. Here, this is it. A closet. And here are all my belongings. Here is one of the bathrooms. Here's the hallway. And looking into the kitchen. So my room is in here. Do you want to be on the film? Yeah? So this is one of my roomies. Hi! Hi! We made it. We made it to DC. I'm not sure if that is noise. I am about to order some food at Uber Eats, and I've never tried that before. Okay, I'll show you what I order when it's here. Yummy. Are you going to like watch me eat?
Okay, let me get like a little drink.
Yeah, do that. I've had a good night's sleep. I slept for 8 hours. Still a bit jet lagged. It is currently 9 a.m. and I'm headed to the supermarket to buy some groceries, just exploring the area by foot. Now it's really quiet here, which I like. It's very much so a residential area, so it's like very quiet. Oh, actually I see American University. Let me show you. It's actually better to discover the school area before I do my groceries. Taking a quick look at what I can expect for the next few months. It's very green space here. Lots of different buildings. This is exciting. This is a very beautiful area. It's very clean, very green, which I also am a big fan of. Okay, so now we've taken a quick look at the campus. I think we better head over to the supermarket. At least I'm super happy with campus. So peaceful here. It will probably not be that peaceful when there are students here, but for now, this is great. Let's go. Let's move on. I wanted to go to Whole Foods. I'm back in Town. It turns out they also have Target here. And I've never been to Target. So perhaps we'll have a quick spin in there first and then we can go to Whole Foods. Because I love Whole Foods. So we need to go to Whole Foods. Did it again. I now have very heavy bags to carry, the same distance as yesterday. I bought too much at Whole Foods, spent too much money. I tried to buy organic stuff, so it's more expensive, and also Whole Foods is expensive to begin with. So yeah, I'll see you back home. So we bought a lot of groceries. Let me show you. Here we are. This is my first shopping haul here in DC. Looking good. I think I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal now. I actually bought a lot of things that I eat back home because I'm not creative enough to think of other dishes right now. So I'm just gonna go with what I'm used to, and then in the next weeks and months I will try to be a bit more creative and try new things that we don't have in Norway, for instance. But for now I'm making my favorite chocolate oatmeal, and yeah. Here we are. This is chocolate oatmeal and medjool dates, strawberries and banana, and on top there we have some crunchy almond butter. So let's dig in. I just set up this water purifier, or is that even what you call it? Anyway, so I inserted the filter so that we can have like tap water that tastes better and that's cleaner, because this water actually tastes like moss. So yeah, I'll just get these things done, I'll show you, because I actually unpacked last night. So let me show you how it is in my room right now. It's a little bit of a mess on my bed, but here is the closet, my dresses and jackets, and I put my shoes down here. And also I use 2 of these drawers here for my other clothes, like, yeah. The other girl will arrive later today, so she will probably have this bed unless we like switch rooms or anything. But now I think I want to go take a shower, and for the rest of the day I just want to have a cozy night here at home, and then I will go discover the city tomorrow or the day after. And if you do have any suggestions or wishes for what content you want to see while I'm here, please let me know. But I think that for now this is enough for this vlog, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye! I just walked past a girl. She was like, "Excuse me? Did you have to bump me?" And I was like, "No, I'm so sorry. Did I do that? I'm sorry." And she was like, "Oh, you're such a psychopath." So yeah. What was that about? The girl who called me a psychopath because I apparently bumped into her when in reality I didn't. That wasn't a good first impression, DC. I actually was a bit sad. I wanted to call my mom. So nice going for a little morning walk here. It's so quiet outside. Some people are running. Good morning. I don't feel like a weirdo walking around with this camera. People don't really care. People don't care about other than themselves. Remember that. So let's just do whatever we want.